Come to the side there, mama. To this side. Hi.
Hi.
Good night. Introduce yourself.
My name is Tiara.
Oh. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
I'm Tashika Diamond.
You pop my balloon, me want to know why. Father! So me I go pick you and eat you, cause me in need of you.
I've been actually love Dana.
You have to reach to the line for you understand the movement. So me wanna why you pop your balloon because
Whoa.
okay, yo, me can't survive, so me have to eat you to survive.
Whoa.
We want the full definition why you pop the balloon.
And you're probably not my type.
Okay. Do you work?
Me, yeah.
What's your occupation?
Security officer.
Security officer. Do you have kids?
One.
How old?
2.
Okay. So you have baby mother drama?
I mean, anybody who wear youth could say the same thing. A little bit of stress every now and again when it comes to your youth, but everything normal still.
It seems like she want me for ching. Cause she asks if me final. Where the word be? I'm not really good in English, that. Where the word be?
Financially stable.
Yeah, me think so.
No, financially stable. That's the word.
Yeah, me think so.
No, the word of financially stable.
Financially stable.
Yeah.
That's the word.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You're financially stable.
Of course.
Novo Pandora.
It's a banger! Yo, at the next pot the balloon I find love general, you know ready? Yo, man I like my Vincent. And the vibes is nice, man I like it feel cool and them have beaches, them have food, them have girls. Yo, the female them not on time and the location OD they will get kicked out. And we have for there, so yo, big up the dog who in charge of this location. Big up yourself, is it? My G, it's simple and easy. When a female walk out and you don't like her based on how she look, you pop your balloon, okay? Yeah, if you like her, you know, want to keep on the balloon. Alright? Big up a big bad sponsor, Sugar Apple. You see it? She have the thing them, it located upstairs, cell ward. Want to go check it out. You see me? Because she really and truly put up with me and say, yo, Rolly and crank up, let's do this, okay? Big up her in the comment section, just show her some love. Vincent, we're there, I'm kinda hungry. What not for eat? Yo, got in her like all the time. Banana chip! Watch out, man, I bring in the first female. Big up Club Zest. You see it, him there and save the day. Yo, Terry, big up yourself. Man, I like anywhere there in the world. Big up you. You know what? You make this happen. You know? Yo, Vincent, we're gonna put you know, in the Jamaican algorithm. You know? Because Jamaican know say Vincent just like Jamaicans. Because I'm gonna feel like I'm there home. I feel like I'm home. You see, I don't miss my yard. I live here now. No, I only can't. No, you're mad. Yo, send in the first female for me now. When you ready? Just wait until she reach right here, so yeah? Just wait until she right there, so. Come to the side there, mama. To this side. Hi. Good night. Introduce yourself.
My name is Tiara. My Instagram is TIA.RAW.
Alright, Tiara. What type of work you do?
Well, I recently did a brain surgery, so I'm recovering. I'm not working.
Oh, you're not work. Oh, wow, you're very strong. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Alright, and what type of guy do you like? What's your type?
I don't have a particular guy, but I like a humble guy, you know, God-driven.
Yeah.
And you know.
Alright. And when it comes down to a deal breaker with a guy, what you hate most? What's like a deal breaker to you?
If it's too friendly.
If it's too friendly.
Woman,
okay.
Yeah.
Alright then. Alright, so we not get enough male that pop them balloons. So alright. One male pop their balloon. So if we can find out why I'm pop the balloon.
Okay.
Alright. Let's go.
Please like the video. May I wait?
Come to this side. Alright, so. Your name? Your name, social, why you pop the balloon?
The word that more underscore. You know what I mean? Bro, like, she said she do like friendly man and a killer. Boy. In a way, me kind of friendly to no man, so that can be a knock off for me and she then.
Oh, me not hear though. You have to speak up here. What you say? Why you pop your balloon?
No, she said she do like friendly man now, no man. I know real people know me. So that can be a knock off for me and she then now. I try and get real plentiful. I don't know that from the start, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. So that right there ain't gonna work between me and she.
Alright,
Okay.
because she friendly, that's why.
No,
Because you friendly, she not like friendly man. Yeah. Plug out the sun. Alright then, based on her appearance though, how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
that rate, yeah. 8.5, bro.
8.5.
8.5. She look good still, no man. You know what I mean? Everything set up nice, but nah, go work.
Nah, go work.
Nah.
Alright, based on film appearance, what do you think
I'll
about him?
give him a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright, that not bad. Is he your type though?
Not fully, but he's alright. Yeah.
You can go on. Alright then, alright, not bad.
Come on, bro.
Yeah. Alright, come down to the side, we hear a pop. So I forgot to find out. Oh, okay. Alright, your name, why you pop your balloon on your social?
Deco J, you can check me out on Instagram, Deco J_J99. Well, the reason why I'm pop, I love her, 10 out of 10, but she say she not like friendly guy. I'm an entertainer, I'm an artist, I'm a voice in the radio station, so me have to be friendly. But people are over us because when people come to me, me can't come say rare, this and that. So, that is a part of my career. So that's the reason why I pop. But other than that, I give her 10 out of 10, trust me.
Thank you.
10 out of 10.
For real, I'm not like.
What you like about her?
She look good, I tell you. And her voice, trust me, she have a soft voice. I like to hear that whisper in my ears at night, man.
Alright.
Tell you. Can't
Alright.
lie.
Alright, what you think about him, what him say? What you think about what he said?
Well, fair enough. I give him a 9. Yeah.
For real. Trust me, if you change your mind and a friendly guy, you could still trick me, I tell you.
Okay.
Still cool, but the friendly part, when me hear it, kind of, I did not want it to pop the balloon, but I tell you the truth. If you
Alright.
change your mind and you want a friendly guy, still have you. Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright. So, coming to this side. Alright, so, the man named without a balloon just walk with grace for minute. Yeah? Alright, come on, more, yeah? Alright, so, your choice right now, okay? We have 4 meals right now, and I just want you to pop 2 meals based on their appearance, yeah?
Okay.
If we go grab it. Alright, one more.
Sorry.
Alright. If we go find out why, yeah?
Okay.
Your name?
Well, I don't know if I'm here the voice, the entertainment boss, literally. You understand? LIL_RAY784 Instagram. Yo, boss. Me an artist also, an entertainer.
Alright. Why you pop his balloon?
His hair a bit too crazy, wild, and that's about it, really. Yeah.
In ear. Crazy and wild.
Yeah, it's a bit, yeah.
Oh, well, you see me here crazy, me a alien see me still.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
He marks you why you pop the balloon.
And she say your ear, because of your ear crazy.
We want the full definition why you pop the balloon.
And you're probably not my type.
Right.
You're not a type. And how much you rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 7. Yeah.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Based on her appearance, how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
I rate her the same, but a little lesser.
Okay.
Yeah. I give her a 5 same still. Because me like she skin color. Me hair look good. Yeah.
Her skin color you like?
Yeah, me like she skin color. Me like the reflection.
Reflection on her skin. Alright, no problem. Big up. Come on to this side. Your name?
Alright, my name is Rick. My Instagram handle is dynamicdrummer01.
Alright, Rick. Why you pop his balloon?
He's not really my type. He look a bit older than me. So, yeah, that's about it. But I give him like a 8.5.
8.5. You think you're older than her?
Maybe, seems that way. Seems that way.
And you give him an 8.5?
Yeah.
Alright then, based on her fair appearance, what do you think about her?
I'll give her a 9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah, 9 out of 10.
Is she somebody that approach out the road?
Yeah, man, definitely. Definitely.
Alright. And he's not your type, you said?
No.
And if he had approached you outside?
Maybe, yeah. Depending on how his approach goes.
Okay.
Oh, so the approach important.
Yeah.
Alright then. Alright, come on to this side. Alright, so the man name without a balloon, or I could grace from now. Alright, so we have 2 males right now. Only thing more you for do is like ask each of them a question to get to know them.
Okay.
And we'll find out if they're your type or a match or not, okay? Alright, who you want to start with first?
Let's start with him.
Him?
Okay.
Alright, what's the question for him?
Do you have any kids?
Yes, please. I have a daughter, 12 years.
Okay.
Yes, please. Anything else?
That's it.
Alright, that's it. Alright.
Do you have any kids as well?
No, I have no children.
Okay, alright.
No kids.
No kids.
Okay.
Alright then, that's it. No more question?
Can I ask why? I'm curious.
Repeat?
Can I ask why? I'm curious.
I just don't really find it good to deal with anybody with kids.
With kids?
Because I don't have any kids.
You don't have any kids. All right, so
yeah.
it's only fair. It's only fair.
So he said, you say you don't like man with kids? Okay. Alright, so I was about to ask you to pop 1 balloon based on the answer, but we got to pop before, so if we can find out.
Kid is my pride and joy, see me.
Huh?
My kid is my pride and joy, see me.
I understand.
So we can find out why. Your name?
Alkaline WSI Panigram.
Alright, and why did you pop your balloon?
Well, I found my balloon because I showed you say that she don't like children or something like that.
No, I don't want somebody with kids.
Oh,
because I don't have.
Oh,
Yeah.
my bad. I think it's that you say.
Alright, so, alright, based on her appearance though, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Well, to be honest, she ain't look bad, so I give her like 8 out of 10.
A little 8 out of 10?
Yeah, like that's small, 8. Like that still,
Alright, based on his appearance, how much did I rate him?
I'll give him a 7.
What you like about him?
His eyes. Very nice eyes.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Alright then, alright, come down to this side. Alright, my G, you held the balloon. Why you kept it before? Like, why didn't you pop your balloon?
I've been interested at first, but after she don't really like kids. Well, not she don't like kids. It's impossible because I had a child already. You know what I mean? So that's about it.
Oh, she not like kids and you have a child already?
Yeah, I'm following it. I have a daughter already. So that is it.
Alright, so based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Yeah, I guess she a 8, same. She beautiful and I'm not lie. Trust me. I'd like for you help you recover from that brain surgery too, but what we go do? More time, right?
Oh, you got help her. Oh, you got help her.
Probably if she did, you know.
Oh, if she did pick you?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Okay, one understand.
That makes something work, see, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Alright, so based on his appearance, what do you think about him?
I give him a 9. Yeah. Very
9 out of
clean.
10.
Thank you very much.
Mhm.
You love me.
Thank you.
Alright.
Change your mind though. You like me.
Okay, no problem.
Judson Jacobs anyways, right?
Uh-huh.
And what's your Instagram?
Differently abled.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. So everybody pop their balloon. You know enough for the right? Just leave with grace for me now. Yeah. Alright, so you never get a match today. I don't know. But big up you for coming up, man. I lie. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no problem. Be safe.
Alright, walk with grace for me now. Yo, watching more some vibe from the Vincent man them. Watching them, I'm get some roar. Boom, what's it? Hey. Yo, big up my bad sponsor for today, Sugar Apple. You see it? Every information in the description today. You see it? Watch you now. The man them ready for the next girl? Yo, wanna have something more name. Sunset.
Vincy bad boy.
Vincy bad boy. Yo, people, about how much percent 84.5. Yo, me just take a shot to people if I'm not here, okay? Anything I'm gonna do, I'm not here. We out there. Yeah? Yeah. Bring in the next female from now. Who yet there? Please, like. Come to this side. Alright. Come to this side. Alright, sir. Hi.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Alicia Charles. I'm 22. I'm a teacher.
Alright. And what's your type?
My type.
Yeah, what type of guy do you like?
Somebody who is genuine.
Yeah.
Likes to cook. Come love my belly.
Chef.
And somebody who can be themselves.
Be themselves.
Yeah.
Not a pretender.
Nope.
Alright, and what's one of the deal breaker when it comes down to a male you not like?
Liars.
You not like liars?
Now.
No.
Now.
Even a small lie?
It depends. Life and death.
Yeah. Okay. And alright, so when I get a pop from any males, you see it. Yeah? That is very good, right?
Of course.
Alright, so show us the social.
Hi, little cute titty underscore on Instagram.
Alright, so what I want you to do right now is like how the guy them pop them balloon, I get to know them. You can ask each of them a question before you pop it, okay?
Sure.
Alright, so who you want to start with? Down there?
Yeah.
Here? Alright.
Yeah.
Come to this side, just right as well. Yeah. Alright, what's the question for him?
What do you see yourself in 5 years?
A multi-millionaire, to be honest. Yeah. I'm a multi-millionaire right now. That's my pre.
Millionaire?
Yeah, I feel like that.
Good? No more question?
Sure.
Good?
No.
Alright. For him?
Do you
Your name?
My name currently Freitas, but on the gram is Al Capone WSI.
Alright.
Okay. Alkaline or cartel?
Alkaline, but I read Cartel same way, but I an Alkaline fan.
Okay.
Alright. We have to come down the line like you start here. Your name?
Well, my name is Ray, better known as Little Ray. LIL_RAY784.
What's his question?
Okay. So if I was a worm, would you keep that balloon?
Well, to be honest, me might be an eagle and pick you. Cause me in need of you.
Huh? That one is sweet, yeah. That one is sweet, yeah. Eh?
That's funny.
Okay. Alright. So that's the only question?
Yeah.
What? The eagle?
Yeah, man, I'm pick she, man.
Okay. Eagle no eat worm, you know?
Yeah, we eat anything with foot land pan, my brother.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
Your name?
I'm DKJ / local celebrity.
Okay.
What's his question?
Real Madrid or Barca?
To be honest, I'm gonna be real. Not really into football.
Okay.
I'm a rugby player and a long distance runner. Also an artist.
Artist?
Yeah, man.
So you
and a
sing?
voice. Yeah, man. I'm singing something now.
Yes, please.
Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby girl, Yo, enough with it. If you want me here, you want to hear me sing properly to you, don't pop this balloon and you're going to hear me sing real. I'm going to give you the radio station voice.
Okay.
Alright. Come on to this side. Your name?
Rick, Dynamic Drummer 01 at on Instagram.
You
What's
okay?
his question?
No, you got me nervous.
Nervous?
Mhm.
What? Where do you work?
So I work with Sandals St. Vincent.
Sanders. Don't be expensive. Anyway, sorry.
What that?
Don't be expensive.
That expensive? Sandals? That's an expensive place?
And I'm also an HOD at Sandals.
A what?
An HOD. You know what a HOD is?
No.
Head of department.
What you saying? Okay.
Get off the apartment?
Head
Head
of
of
department.
Oh, head of the. That man.
Yeah, so you go.
What? That's the question for him?
Yes, yes.
All right, come on to this side.
No, me no.
Your name?
Damo, the boy Damo. The gram,
Damo?
Yeah.
I have 2 questions.
Two questions?
Yes, please.
Means the
Where-
special one then.
No. Where do you work?
Me?
Yeah.
Security officer.
Officer.
Yeah.
My next question is, you smoke? Do you smoke? Yes?
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
to be honest, I know recently start, but I mean, it's like a half an hour thing to know. I
Okay.
recently start.
That is it for me.
That's it for you?
Yeah.
All right, come down to this side. All right. All right, so you get to know them, you ask them a question and thing. So I want you to do is pop 2 male balloon. Yeah, just pop 2 male balloon.
Jesus.
Yeah.
I could pop them with.
Yeah, you can squeeze it.
Oh God. I could close my eye.
Yeah, you can close your eye and do it. Nobody, yeah.
Who there?
One more.
Oh, my friend. Here.
All right. Let's go over to him. All right, my G. Thing good?
Yeah, man, me level, man.
How you feel about that?
And I feel in a way because me done in a life, you always get disappointment.
You feel disappointed?
No, me feel excited. So me want to know why she popped the balloon.
You feel excited and disappointed at the same time?
You said it, but me feel excited.
You're
Okay.
excited?
Yeah, man.
Why?
You pop my balloon, me want to know why.
The reason I popped your balloon is because I wasn't feeling the vibe. And what did he ask? What did he tell me again?
Why? Him actually, what you mean? Him say you are the, him gonna be the eagle and you're the worm.
So me gonna pick you and eat you, because me in need of you.
I've been actually love Dana.
You have to reach to the line for you understand the movement. So me wanna why you pop your balloon because
Whoa.
yeah, yo, me can't survive, so me have to eat you to survive.
Whoa.
Me wanna why you pop your balloon.
Wait. What you mean you have to eat her?
Without
Yeah.
she, me can't survive because me not gonna get nothing for you.
Eagle don't eat fish.
It don't matter. We are birds. We eat anything on earth.
So you gonna eat her for survive?
That me gonna do. She had the worm, me see she a crawl out of the hole and me fly down and pick her.
No out her. Woo! No out her hole. Yes, yeah.
She a seek a way if come up on the surface and me see her from the sky as me fly down and me pick her and eat her.
No!
So kill me?
No, me a eat her to survive because me in need of you.
Or
So you eat her because...
Me need to survive.
so like a food chain thing?
A alkaline thing.
Ah.
Yeah, alkaline.
Hello.
You know why it's a alkaline?
Huh?
Alkaline.
I know the artist.
No. Him a bright youth. Him name have a meaning. Alkaline is a food chain.
Tell me.
We are going to eat healthy, man. Without you, me can't survive.
me understand.
Yeah, man.
Me no understand still, you
No,
know.
me not understand either because me not understand, brother. But if me tell you right now, you see me get enough megabytes, me download share my life right now.
So you know no megabytes.
No, cause she packed the balloon. I run out of storage, brother.
So if you're Apple, you gotta buy storage.
You should give me the way, my brother. I make sure my best flowers in the garden.
Alright, so based upon him appearance, so how much should I rate him out of 10?
Wait, me can't even talk.
She can't talk, right? Joe, she have a speechless because I don't touch her heart right this, so without me even touch her. That. Me not even touch her yet physically, but the words don't touch her heart.
I understand.
You can't understand me, brother. You have to read between the lines.
I don't understand too much all and eat and tween the lines. You know, I saw you do the thing, Vincent.
So we stay.
I saw you stay.
Yeah, man.
Brave.
Brave, dog. Because remember, if you hide your feelings in the shadow of the background, you know, she not gonna see what you talk about.
You just show her everything.
Yeah, you have to show her everything.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
She look at me as a mirror, so she have to see the reflection of my love to she, man. How you chat about?
Okay.
How much should I rate him out of 10?
He's dressed properly. 8. I like the short, the way he speak, and you have nice hair.
Yeah, man.
I have nice what?
Hair. Yeah.
Oh,
so me find myself a new hairdresser. She go plot them, man. Woohoo! Chankila, my thing, and a brother, calm down.
Chunky.
Chankilo.
What that?
It mean calm down.
Yeah. Chankilo.
Calm down yourself.
Alright then.
Move on to the next.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
By between me and you, you see out of 10, you might have done too much 0 now, my brother, because 1,000.
So you really they want.
And the 0 them just a go on, because I believe in an infinity. It never end.
0 ending. 0 never ending.
Never end. The 0 them just a pack up. But the 1 remain, but the 0 them just a go up. So at the time you're ready and the 0 them done did it, you can't even call the number, dog. Because you don't pass 1 million and 1 billion and 1 trillion. Yeah, man.
Alright.
But you don't know for me, the voice say entertainment boss literary. LILRAY 784.
Oh, you get a number?
No, 497.
Okay, alright. No, yes, sir. No, yes, sir. No. I'll go down the line. Come over here, sir. Good? Oh, you got El Cheapo. Calm down. Oh, you go? Tranquilo. Yeah. Why you pop his balloon? Use the mic.
Wait, sorry. Still can't get
Tranquilo.
over. Sorry.
Tranquilo.
Alright.
Why you pop his balloon?
Why?
So you pop a balloon and ain't got no reason.
Ask him 2 questions.
Oh, where he works. And if he smokes.
So you do like a man with a smoke.
No, it's not that I don't like a man with a smoke. I just don't know why I pop the balloon.
You don't remember why you...
nervous.
Eh?
Must be nervous because I don't know why.
You don't know why you popping balloon?
No.
How are the backside this father God?
Yo. She ain't right. She not stable.
You drink a shot of sunset. So you don't know why you popping balloon?
I mean, I like the outfit. I don't know.
Nah, you have to go and find a reason, man.
So there's not a reason why you pop his balloon?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Speak your mind, nobody not go vex.
What the fuck?
She lost, man. Come and next show, give me back a next balloon, bro. She lost.
How much did I rate it? How much did I rate?
7. I'll give you a 7. Me and I want me pop a balloon. I just can't remember.
Okay.
Yeah, vex with that.
Can't remember why you pop your balloon.
No.
Alright then. Alright. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10, my G?
Give she back the same 7.
7.
Keep it mutual.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
She gave 7, so you get her back it.
Yeah.
Nah, get her higher.
Nah, mutual for you.
Equal.
If she never did pop it, she might have broke the scale too, but 7 back.
7. Alright. Come down to this side. Alright, so the man them without a balloon walk with grace for me now, please. Alright, so we have 4 males right now. What me I gonna do? They're gonna ask you a question to get to know you, and we'll find out if there's a chemistry or not. You see me?
Yeah.
Vincent cool and nice. He come like me the pan a he come like me the pan a hill. Yeah. Come down to this side. I'll start with him.
Lift me up.
Breeze on lift you up.
Yeah.
Your name again?
So I'm Rick, Dynamic Drummer 01 on Instagram.
Alright, Rick. What's the question for her?
Alright, so what is one thing you love most about yourself?
I'll say my hair. I love my hair a lot. And let me see. Maybe my smile.
Okay. Alright, good enough for me.
That's it? That's it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the question for her?
Boy, to be honest, I tell you, how she looks so good, me never know if I ask her.
You don't know if I ask her?
I tell you, she looks so stunning.
She look too good?
Too good, me don't know if I say. But, bro, only one thing, let me see. As in, like, let me see. I don't know.
You don't have no question?
Me nah know.
Forget for know her?
Well, forget for do her, maybe not talk to her earlier, you know, so.
Yeah, but you have to ask her a question.
Okay, let me see your question. Okay, what things you don't like men do to you, you know? What type of stuff make you uncomfortable?
The bag of touchy thing.
Mhm.
Yeah, and it depends on my mood. I
Right.
like personal space.
All right, I respect
Yeah.
that, I respect that.
Alright.
That is all I have to ask.
Alright then. Speechless. Down to this side. What's the question for her?
Well, my question is, which month you born?
My birthday is the 29th of December.
Sure. That's my question.
That's a question?
Yeah, that's my
Alright. Come on to this side. What's her question?
My question, where you see us in the next 5 years?
Huh?
Where do you see us in the next 5 years?
Us?
Yeah.
Us.
Yeah.
Plural. Us. Sorry, I like laugh. I'm to answer that now. Well, for me, I'll speak for me. I want a nice job, my own house, a vehicle, and I also want to be an entrepreneur so I can make money
Make
both
your own
ways.
money. Yes, goals. I respect that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, ambitious and determined, devoted. Sound like the type
Yeah.
of woman I looking for. But yeah,
It can
secondly-
depend on a man.
Exactly.
Sorry.
That's your type.
Yeah, man. Love them, ambitious and go getting, you know what I mean? Educated as that too. She also said she's a teacher. I mean, you could teach me a few things.
I'm sorry?
You could teach me a few things, too.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, so Mama know any male change their decision and want to pop their balloon right now? Based on the answer that you got? Everybody keeping their balloon? Alright. So
You're gonna put me in a
the
spot.
roles are reversed right now, okay? Alright, so the roles are watch now cool now. The roles are reversed right now. What I want you to do is pop 2 male balloon based on any vibe or chemistry that you're not feeling.
Where do me I know?
Let me there. Just be truthful. You just 2 male balloon. Who's it gonna be?
Tight, I know.
Tight.
Yeah.
What you say? Come on, let's go.
Yeah, let me not waste time.
Yeah.
Now waste our time.
No, me just a say when you're not gonna know near them.
That's God.
Alright, just two.
We'll cry, I know. Let me see. Sorry.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Damn. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna find out why you pop. Before, why you kept your balloon all along? Why you held your balloon?
Well, the reason why I kept my balloon is like since I came here, I got my eyes on her, you know. She look real nice and based based on the type of stuff she been saying about herself, I admire it because that's the type of person I am. I'm a To be honest, I'm a person that would actually continue going until I get my goal. And that's the type of female I want to be there to support me and what I'm going for and who I am going to be in life. Because, you know, you're going to need the support. And she looked like a female that support the man and thing, you know. So she looked like a genuine person. So basically, my heart would have feel relaxed with her, you know. Look like a female I could have settled with and work things out and probably go on vacation and things together because she look like my type. But like them Vincy girl, I know we're good for them, but you know, that's all I get to say. But what? As I said, everybody had their own cabeza and their own mind of thinking. So you do what's thing for you, baby. Just don't go down the road and choose the wrong one. Is you would miss out. That's all.
True.
Ooh, all right. Based on her appearance, though, how much did I rate her?
I don't want to lie because she popped my balloon, even though she popped my balloon. I give her a 10 because good hair, good complexion, which is my complexion. I love dark skin. She have a beautiful smile with the braces. When she smiles, it's like I looking at a full moon. I tell you, she look good. 10 out of 10. And the type of work, I like an intelligent girl because I'm bright. I know I'm not dancing. Be real. Yeah, man, so 10 out of 10.
All right. Based on his appearance, how much did I rate him?
I'll give him the 10. Me and he cool. And the reason I popped the balloon is because you see, we were speaking earlier and like he have a good personality and so on, and I don't want to ruin it by dating him and then we fall apart, you know?
So your friend zone him?
Yes. Sorry.
My friend, listen, sweetheart. Dating me ain't no corruption and no argument I got into that because I'm not no argumentative person. You know, when you start make noise, I'm going to say, baby, listen. When you calm, come talk to me. You know, I'm going to say, baby, listen, this is how it go. Me no, me calm. So, you know, I'm not going to break up nothing. Me
So
just know I'm not going to make your life happy like a butterfly, a fly in the sky.
So I'm going to be a rooster?
No, me not know, but me just say, you know, because I know most females. I'm just assuming most females are aggressive, but I know how to deal with them type of situation. So you're not gonna mash up nothing. You're just gonna make it much more better for you and me and the little we might have in the future.
Baby.
Yeah, man.
What to say?
What to say?
Give me baby already.
All right.
That how far me done look pan you.
All right, so you rate him, how much did I give him a 10?
Any cool.
She's the unfound diamond in Africa. I tell you, still a search for you, but me now find you Vinci. Where you do ya? You come look for me. Yeah, man.
All right. Okay. All right. Why you kept your balloon all along?
I kept my balloon because number one, our mindset. Yeah, at 22, I find her to be a bit more mature than people at that age. And also, she's naturally beautiful. You know, I mean, I see no makeup, no nothing. So, you know, that's good. Yeah.
Well, all right then.
Thank you.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I'd give her a 9.5.
Thank you.
Because she popped my balloon. You understand? So I have to take back 0.5 for that.
You have to take back a 5.
You should make a big mistake.
Oh, my bad.
It's okay.
Big.
Yeah, very big. Humongous.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, but I wish you all the best. And I hope you're on your quest for love that you become successful.
Thank you.
All right, so is she a girl that you'll approach outside?
Yeah, man. The truth is, it's not basically based on their looks. You know, you have to have conversations with people, figure out their mindset, and see how they are.
True.
Yeah.
Respect that. And
Thank you.
what about his appearance? How much did I rate him?
He is well dressed. Them shoes are expensive and handy. I'll give him a 10. Yes.
10.
Yeah.
And why did you pop his balloon?
I have different plans for him. That's the reason I popped the balloon. I won't talk about it because he knows.
I already.
So, okay.
Whoa. What you mean different?
She mentioned it under her breath.
Yeah.
She mentioned it under her breath.
Personal.
Right here?
Yeah, but it's it's not nothing to do with me and her.
No. We cool. But different plans for him.
Different plans.
Yeah.
That's how it goes.
Come on, man.
Come on. What do you mean? Come on, man. Come to this side. Come. All right. All right. So the man them without a balloon walk with grace for me, please. Yeah, I know. You good. All right. All right. So we have 2 males right now with them balloon. You ask them a question and them ask you a question. Is there anything you want to ask them to get to know them? Is there any more question?
Yeah.
To
I
make
have
the
a
decision better?
question.
All right.
Anybody here have any children?
Yes, please.
Yes, you?
Yeah.
How many?
Daughter. 1.
1,
12 years.
2,
12 years.
12 years old?
Yes, please.
Okay, that is good.
All right. That's it?
Yeah.
That's it. Any question you guys want to ask her to kind of... Any question? Huh? You good? You good? Any question?
I feel like I want more. You're athlete?
Athlete?
Yeah.
I used to play football.
Used to be because you keep running through my mind, baby. Yeah. I love how she fun size too now, boys.
Fun size?
Yeah, fun size. Yeah, man.
All right, then. All right. No one them sharp. All right, watch it. You have the choice right now. We want to know who you're going to pop. Pop 1 male balloon based on the chemistry.
1.
Yeah, 1.
So it thing in my hands again.
Yeah, it's in your hands. No, the man them, I keep them balloon. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Help me, Lord. You know. It's a bit hard for swallow. I don't want to pop it on you.
All right, come to this side. All right. Why you held the balloon so long?
Yeah, I've been interested. Yeah.
Just want some little more volume here.
Volume. I was interested in for a bit now. Yeah, she appealing, she attractive, you know what I mean? So, and she deserve a little 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
No problem.
10 out.
Yeah.
He well dressed, now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. And why your pop is balloon?
The reason, not because of the looks, and the reason I popped the balloon, wait, can I ask him a question?
You want to ask him one more question after you pop him balloon?
So I could tell you the reason why I popped the
Okay,
balloon.
all right, come to this side. Yeah, all right.
Are you and your child mother, like, are you guys close? No?
Not together, just friends right now.
Okay.
See parents, distant parents. She live her way, I live my way. Both support the child, that's about it. No relationship. Alright?
The reason I popped the balloon,
Yeah.
you see me personally.
Yeah.
I am a kind of people pleaser, you know. So I don't really like, you see, the child thing. I like when the mother and the father for the child close together, so the child could have like a good relationship between each other. And then for they separate. But he's a good person. He's very mannerly. He does show me every morning.
Right.
And he's well dressed, obviously.
Thank you.
And yeah, I like how he dressed.
All right, and based on him appearance though, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
Me just say 10.
10.
Yes.
10.
Thank you very much, sweetheart.
You're welcome.
And you already rate her 10 out of 10, right?
Yeah, fully. She make me want to add some more.
Yeah. All right, so it's not a match to them IG, so just roll out with grace, yeah? Yeah. All right, so me don't know, you don't want to ask her no question, my G. You don't want to ask her no question, forget for no her.
Well, one question.
You don't want to ask it. No, you want to ask it. Yeah.
You know, beside it, staying.
Where am I living?
Yeah.
I'm living in Fountain.
All right, and that's it.
That's it.
Where roll the ice up?
Me?
Roll like me.
Me
roll like
high thing.
me. Roll like.
All right.
You know, look like took me just now the before, you know.
Yeah.
Not really high enough, but normal still.
Alright. Any more question for him?
My fool can I go? No.
No more question? Alright, so more ask each one right now. Is this a match for you?
I like I have to stay in the soul for.
Eh?
I have to watch in the soul.
You have to watch I'm soul
Yeah.
before you answer me? So how long that I gotta take?
Not too long.
All
Just
right,
have to see, like, you know, when you have to stay, people to see if they could keep up a challenge.
Oh, so you want
Yeah.
the eye challenge right now?
Not really eye challenge. For see if you like nervous, you know.
I tell him ready for anything.
Is this a match for you?
For me, yeah. Nice, bad.
Is this a match for you?
No.
It's not a match?
No,
It's not a match? So you have to pop his balloon.
I have to.
Yeah. Ooh. Whoa. Damn. Alright, so why you held the balloon so long?
Well, because, you know, nice, pretty, everything, you know. Hear everything, I like she hear.
Thank you.
Nice. But yeah, other than that, real pretty. Like,
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
well, she got 9. You know, fully, cause I pop my balloon. I ain't taking off 5, I'm taking off 1. You know?
9.
9.
Okay.
And why you think she pop her balloon before I ask her?
I don't know why she pop balloon, no. She have to tell you why she pop balloon, you know? I don't know why. So I don't know why.
Alright. Why did you pop your balloon?
Because, you know, I don't like when people nervous, you know, like you could sense it. Sorry. You know, like you could sense when somebody nervous. You know, and I gave him a 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah, I like clocks. I like the hat.
Walking hot all the time, you know, come and walk all the things that they had.
What you say? She
No, come from you, like
say, you man say out of everything, you like the art. You know about my balloon because I'm art. Yo, alright, so basically you're saying that you don't like because he's nervous. He seem nervous to you.
Yeah, I mean, I like people nervous and jumpy,
Me
you know.
nervous.
Same jumpy, man. But it cool.
Alright,
There's somebody make a shout anyway.
And this is not a match.
Well, I see me, so no. We go still.
You the approach her out a road though?
Yeah,
Which she have.
right. You know that?
Of course.
You know that?
Yeah.
You know that? You know joke.
Alright. It's not a match today. Walk with grace, woman, please.
Me have to walk too?
Hold on. Alright. Tell me now. I asked you to pop some balloon and you kept him last. Why you choose him? Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait?
My favorite artist is Alkaline.
So because me I wonder no. So basically, are you artist just because
Yes.
you ask him the question and him say
Alkaline.
Alkaline.
And he dressed properly.
Oh gosh. We just the one now. Alright then. So you didn't get a match today? Balloon just a pop, so you didn't get a match today. You know what you have to do?
Walk with grace.
Walk with grace. Yo, watch your now member say big up a big bag sponsor, Terry. Okay? Yo, Terry, much love and respect. Vincent girl them. We get kicked out from the next spot, which another day. I wake up early this morning, you know. I wake up very early, about 5 o'clock, and get up and I cook breakfast. And I say, let us eat something. Right, crank up. Right. And then we'll reach out the spot early, and then when we reach late, worse than Jamaica. Banana chip. I tell you. You ready for go through that? I will know about to go there, so. We done with them? Yo. Watch the one. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. You see? You ready for the next female? Ready? Let me get some room now. Yo, the dog them ready. You see it? Send in the next female for me now. Oh. Come to this side. Ready, sir? Introduce yourself.
I'm Tashika Diamond.
Tashika. Alright. And what type of job do you do?
I'm a nurse.
Nurse. Okay. That's good. And what type of person are you though?
I'm actually a very friendly person. Caring, loving. Just love to travel, have fun. You know.
And what's your deal breaker when it comes down to a male?
Oh, my number one deal breaker is cheating.
Cheat.
Lying.
Lying.
Mhm.
Ooh. All right.
Player.
And a player.
Yes.
You don't like a player?
No.
And what's your type?
Somebody who is loving, caring.
Okay.
Somebody who probably communicates well.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's
Ambitious.
awesome. Okay.
Yes, very ambitious.
All right. So your expectation. Aye. All right. So we never got no pops, right? No. That's awesome.
Nice.
Yeah. All right. All right. So we're gonna find out from you based on appearance. I'm gonna let you pop one male balloon, okay? Based on appearance.
Do I
one.
have to pop based on appearance? Cause
No, all right. It doesn't have to be
Yeah.
appearance.
Okay.
You can ask each of them a question,
Okay, I
or
can carry on
we
with
can
that.
start. Oh, you want to
Yeah.
start that one?
Yeah, I don't choose people based on appearance. so,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's go down this line.
Okay.
You said your name,
Boy, Damo.
Damo.
Hey, bro.
All right, Damo.
Okay.
What type of question you have for
How
him?
old are you?
Me? 22.
22. Okay. Do you work?
Me, yeah.
What's your occupation?
Security officer.
Security officer. Do you have kids?
1.
1. How old?
2.
Okay. So you have baby mother drama?
I mean, anybody where you could say the same thing. A little bit of stress every now and again when it comes to your youth, but everything normal still.
Alright.
Not much problem in my camp, so.
Okay.
All right. All right. Come down to this side. Your name?
All right, Rick Dynamic Drummer 01 on Instagram.
What's the question for Rick?
Okay, Mr. Rick. What's your occupation?
So I'm an HOD with Sandals St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Okay. Do you have kids?
No, I don't.
You don't. Do you plan to have kids in the future?
Yep, I plan to have a family.
Okay. Are you family oriented?
Yes, I am.
Okay. All right. I think I need to ask one more question.
That's it?
No. How do you feel about being with somebody who is a single parent?
No, this is basically it. If I'm with a female that has kids, I do not view her kids as my stepkids. Automatically, her kids becomes my kids as well.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay. All right.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Your name?
Dico J / local celebrity.
All right. And what's the question for Dico J?
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 20.
20. Okay. What's your expectation of a woman?
Say that over again.
What's your expectation of a woman?
Well, basically, supporting the man while him going through difficult times. And most of the times, it could be like if your husband coming home from work or your boyfriend and you reach home, at least prepare him something for him to eat, you know? Even though sometimes him as a man could bring back home something for the female to eat or do a cooking or something. But my expectation from a woman is just playing the role as a woman. Make it simple and then run it off, which you know what I mean when I say playing the role as a woman.
All right.
All right. Okay. Your name?
Well, I don't know for me the voice, I done the entertainment boss, literally. Understand?
What's the question for entertainment,
What's your
boss?
occupation?
For you,
No, your occupation.
my occupation.
What work do you do?
Well, me just conduct pan fan.
Okay.
Me just work pan fan.
Okay. Are you a smoker?
Nah, me not
You
smoke.
don't smoke. Okay. How would you deal with a situation if you're in a relationship and you have a disagreement? How would you deal with it?
To be honest, I gotta tell my girl, allow her settle down and work out things. Because sometimes ladies see things in a different way when in a work out in a that way. You understand? Because me might roll with a girl and you might think see me and the girl there. You understand? But me a entertainer. People always want to be in my life because me might be an artist, a comedian, a conductor. Me have to interact with people. You see it? But to me show people love, you might feel say the way me show people love, that me and them get something again if he's a female. So you might think that, and when me go home say you and me have a argue, me I go tell her, settle down baby, like we talk it out. He's a friend from a long time. No say man a artist, man a entertainer, man a conductor. She just wanna know me IG. She just wanna talk to me.
Okay.
Nothing now go on this man. You understand me? I go the genuine youth, personality, everything. Clean.
Alright.
That's it?
Okay.
Your name?
Al Capone, double S panogram, call me Gibbs.
Okay.
What's his question?
First question, first and foremost, is your mom alive?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you treat your mom? How do you get along with your mom?
Well, Rancho, I still live with my parents, so.
But do you have a good relationship with your
Yeah,
mom?
we're good. Yeah, we're good, man. We're good. We don't really treat her no how, but we're good.
Okay.
You know?
Do you have kids?
Nah, me and no children.
Okay. Alright.
That's it? Alright. Your name?
Judson, differently able, differently underscore able on the Instagram.
Okay.
What's his question?
So my question is, what is your key for a relationship, right? What is the main key to
Main
make sure
key.
that your relationship progress?
Well, you don't know loyalty, that's the main key. Know what I mean? Love an honest woman, faithful, and I should be about it. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Okay.
You hear it?
Alright.
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright. So you got you have one more what? You can't have one more question for all of them. No man.
I think
With
I
the
have
mic.
one more questions for them.
Alright, before you're gonna have to pop one male balloon and then we can go over some more questions. Pop one male balloon based on the answer that you got.
Wait, this is a hard one.
Yeah?
Um,
Who is it gonna be?
sorry.
You carry your own pick.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go on this side. Alright. Before I ask you, why you kept your balloon?
No, I would say she was look like somebody well kept together and them thing, you know, man. So I like forget for know her and thing. You know what I mean?
What you like about her?
Could say she looks, she shape, she got a nice smile. Watching her smile all long now, so she is got a nice smile like so. You know what I mean?
Alright, now how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
9. Yeah, man, I got 9 still, even though she popped the balloon, she look good.
Yeah?
Top.
Real talk.
Yeah.
Alright, and why did you pop his balloon?
I popped because of the baby mother drama. I don't want to do that. Yeah. That's the only reason I popped.
Yeah, that happens sometimes.
And I know it's quite young because your baby's 2 years old. So, you know, most of the time you had a drama going on at that age. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 years old where the drama start?
Well, because the baby's so young, he has to be more involved with the mother. And I know.
No, well, see, the thing is, she ain't come from here. Yeah.
Or she not come from here?
No. So more like I'll go spend time with him when more like when everything.
Oh, you have to travel for see her.
Yeah. Okay. But I was actually give me a bag of jam over him. You know what I mean?
Okay. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
6.
Oh, why 6?
Cool. He's okay. Good looking. Handsome.
Alright then. My G, walk with grace for me now, please. Alright, come down to this side. Alright, so before I go to your side, any male want to pop their balloon and walk with grace? You guys are gonna keep on the balloon?
Anybody?
Good? Alright, good. Alright, it's your choice right now. We're gonna come to your side. You're gonna go and ask the question you want to ask.
Oh.
We want to start with. You want to start with right here?
Okay.
Alright then.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
To be honest, right now, I figure first of all, a multimillionaire. Secondly, get back on my feet. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's about it. So thank you. Anything else?
Okay, that's
And
good.
let me see again. Thirdly, you say you're a nurse, right?
Yes.
I could be your patient. Take good care of me. What do you think?
Yes.
All right. Yeah. But then-
Okay, I am good. Alright. Question for you.
Okay. How do you treat a woman?
Well, once a woman be real to me, I be real to she. You understand? If you say that we go here so, I go expect I go what you say. But the same thing goes with me. If I say let go here so, you're supposed to agree with me the same. You understand? Yeah. I fully
Oh, you basically tell them if you want them here, so them.
No, I say like if she telling me that she want me to go here so, you understand? I go do that. You understand? And it's supposed to be the same thing. You understand? Because I believe in she believe in me. That always just it works, supposed to work, right?
Oh, she lead you, you lead her.
Right. It's a team thing. You understand?
Okay.
So you want me to be the leader?
No, I saying it's a team thing.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a team thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Nobody leading nobody. We're going together. Now we're rolling.
Okay, all right. Any question for her?
Nah, right now.
Not right now. All right. All right. What's his question?
Do you think you're financially stable for a relationship?
Well, to be honest, I'm not really a fan of relationship, but if my spirit take you, I'm gonna be there for you.
No, she
Not
said.
gonna be relationship wise, but I'm gonna be there for you because of the love me get for you.
No, she said if you're financially like you have funds for can maintain a relationship.
Well, rich and me not talk, but here this scene, man. It seems like she want me for ching ching. Cause she asks if me final where the word be? Me not really good in English that. Where the word be?
Financially stable.
Yeah, me think so.
No, financially stable. That's the word.
Yeah, me think so.
No, the word of financially stable.
Financially stable.
Yeah,
That's the word.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
You're financially stable.
Of course.
So when you say financially stable, give me an example.
Okay.
With
So
the definition.
okay, so for example, basically, when you're in a relationship with somebody, right? They have needs and wants. And if, especially, I'm a single mother, right? Would you be able to provide for me?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Me able to do that.
What kind of what the budget you give her?
Well, you see, if she say like she son or she daughter want something and she can't maintain it at the moment, I go provide her.
Okay.
What do you think about that? What kind of income you think him should have if he can maintain you and your child?
Well, personally, I like nice things. I must say, I'm not gonna lie, I like nice things. But if I see that you're trying, I am okay with it. But I don't like laid back guys. Okay.
I mean, I hope me come from a ghetto. You understand? Me come from poverty, but me fight it from a long time. And me reach to the stage right now. Me don't kick up poverty. Him not come my way again.
Okay. All right.
Any question for her?
Well, what do you think?
It's you.
Where the word be? Me forgot the word.
Financially stable.
You think you're in that for me?
I am somewhat, yes.
Because
But
me,
it's also we have to work together.
Wait a
because me like nice thing too.
No problem.
Me like to look neat and fine. Me
Okay.
like to go out and have a nice time.
Okay.
You understand? If me can enjoy life every day with you, me feel good. You not have to buy expensive shirt, shoes, pants. You understand? From we enjoy life and we feel happy together, me good.
Polar for buy though.
It couldn't even be in $50 for whatever we buy.
No, but Polar for buy though.
Oh, me like it polo same way still, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Alright. What's the question for him?
Are you somebody who's romantic?
Of course.
Elaborate on it.
Of course, in every way, I'm romantic. Not gonna lie, be honest. So, thinking about me and you walking indoors, outdoors, romantic. Could just watch and see. I'm the reflection. Matter of fact, I'm the definition of romantic. There's nothing talk for impress, you know. See, I'm watching a beautiful eyes. Facts, me tell you. Shining brighter than the star.
Alright.
One question you get for me?
I think so.
Sure.
Yeah, for now.
A man like me?
For now.
All right, no problem.
Any question for her?
I have a question for you. Where do you see yourself in the next, let me see, can't be 10, 5 years?
In the next 5 years,
Yeah,
I
man.
see myself as a wife. I see myself as a wife. I see myself as growing my business.
Right?
Right? Giving back to the community also.
Makes sense.
Taking care of my kids, having another child, family.
I like the ambition there. I like the ambition there. But see what I think. Next 5 years, see myself as a husband, first kid with a beautiful lady, especially with your braces and a nice smile. You know, guys. Now be real. And also a respectful wife. You know, not gonna disrespect me or anything in any way because you know you have some disrespectful wife or a woman. Yeah, so that is it. But all right, we're around for the night.
Alright.
All right. All right. All right.
So
What's the
my
question for him?
question is,
Rick?
how do you feel about dating a nurse?
I know nurses have very demanding jobs. However, if I'm in a relationship with a nurse, I have to be supportive as well. Yeah. Never mind, both of us have demanding jobs. We are supposed to be there for each other. You know, so when you're out, I'm home. You don't have to worry about coming home to a cooked meal. You don't have to worry about the house being clean or anything like that, or the kids being taken care of. I pick up my role.
Okay. Alright. Yeah.
What's the question for her?
All right. So, it was on the tip of my tongue. So, what would you say when we go on our first date? What would be the ideal date for you?
Probably a nice romantic restaurant setting where we can sit and talk and just get to know each other.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Great. All right. That's good enough for me.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
This side. All right. All right. So we're gonna step up the thing and more. So I want you to pop 2 male balloon. 2 males balloon. Based on the chemistry, based on the answer that you're getting, I know how you feel. So go ahead and pop 2. Damn. All right. Before, why you kept your balloon all along?
I see no flaws really. Everything cool. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's about it. Respect you.
How much should I rate her based on her appearance? What do you think about it?
8. Yeah.
8 out of 10.
Yeah, she great. You know what I mean? Yeah.
8, she great.
Yeah, 8, she great. Yeah. Straight.
All right. Why did you pop your balloon?
Okay.
Why did you pop his balloon?
Okay, so I popped your balloon not because you're disabled, but because of my job. My job is very demanding, and I don't want to neglect you,
Yes.
and I don't want to not be able to take care of you as I should. So
Yes.
that's why I popped your
I
balloon.
respect that. I respect that. Respect your honesty, sweetie.
And based on his appearance, though, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
9. 9, yeah.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a real fine, natural.
Yes.
Yeah, real.
Hey. All right, give me a minute. I'll go down this side. All right, just over there. All right. Why you kept your balloon all along?
I like her.
Huh.
She beautiful. Like she personality. She look genuine. Yeah, man. So me kept the ballon because me think say me had a chance, my brother. They say fate move mountains and all hope is lost. So me just had hope and it all lost. She popped the ballon, my brother. So me hope last.
So you did have faith tonight.
Then she moved the mountain.
So you feel like she did out your lead. That's why you feel like you did have faith.
No, me had faith that she wanna think say me a go the out say me still a man. You understand? Cause me did say she a beautiful lady. Me wish her the best that she find love in the way she seek it. You understand? But she popped my balloon.
How you feel about that?
Well, you kinda feel hurt say she popped the balloon, but I life.
So you like about her otherwise than her features and things like that, like.
She speak she mind. You can't force her to do that. She can speak that off she own. You understand? If me like she and she like me, but she not see me the way she want to set she future, my brother. Me good with that.
Jano. And why you think she popped the balloon before I ask her?
To be honest, me I go ask her the same question.
So you don't know?
No, cause me I go ask her.
Alright, you want to do the honor? Ask her.
Hi.
Hi.
Why did you pop the balloon?
I think you're a little bit young, and I have to take into consideration my kids. I want somebody who would be there as a. I'm not saying you're the dad or you should be a father, but at least play a role and at least mature enough that you can handle the situation when it comes
But
to there.
see, you get twisted with the age. It's just a number. You understand? Because me might be young, but me might be the owner of a subway and put it in a somebody name because me not stabilize. Me not have a record for say me own the building that. You understand?
Craft.
You get tricked with the age that. You understand?
It's not just the age only, if I am to be honest with you, but also because I notice your pants is a little bit.
No, well, you see, me not wear belt. Me buy clothes exactly the size. You understand? Because me like to feel free. As me tell you, me not a fan of relationship, but if me like you, I gotta tell you. So me like my clothes them for feel free too. You're not too tight for me for you go feel it cloak up to me inside, no man. You understand?
Okay.
But as me tell you, you get trick with my age. It don't really matter if me 20, me 22, me 90, me 17. Love is a 4 letter. But each letter have a very strong meaning. Love is not just me telling you, say me love you, man. You have to show it. So you, how many kids you get?
I have 2 boys.
So you feel say me can't mind you want them?
No, not. I wasn't speaking directly on that only, but the level of maturity that you need to bring to the table. Because my kids are very strong kids, right? So yeah.
Sometimes in a life, inspiration is not all about it. You have to observe people and see the movements and see how them are going to make it in a life and see how them are going to do it. Because you might just watch me and feel, say, I'm young, you don't know if I take care of a woman with 2 child. Me might grow up in a family, in a house, me say love actually is love. Because me real up in a single parenthood. And me see how my mommy treat me, because daddy gone, so me no love, man. You know if you take care of you and your 2 kids, how you chat about?
Yeah. Alright. Based on his appearance, how much should I rate him though?
5.
Huh?
5.
She say 5.
5 out of 10?
She say 5.
You wanna know why?
Yeah.
I think you could have done better in terms of the drop waist pants. Everything else is good, but the pants below the bottom is my problem.
You think say below the bottom, the short long?
Well, below your waist.
The short long.
Below your waist. The short's not long.
Yeah.
Really?
The short long.
Me could tell you which box I have and which color.
The short long.
Okay.
The short long.
All right.
Cause me wear everything for hide my boxer, man. Me wear shirt and me wear vest. Cause me want hide the boxer. But as me tell you, say, if The phone in my pocket, man, you wait, dog.
Phone calls it.
Yeah, man, the wait.
So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Man, as me tell her, dog, man, she deserve it. 10 out of 10, man.
Thank you.
She deserve it.
Thank you.
Alright. Alright, so every meal apart from you, gracefully stroll. Alright. Why you pop your balloon all along?
Well,
You kept your balloon in, but why the reason why you pop it now?
well, the reason I put my balloon is because I get her understand that she have 2 children. You understand? I mean, I don't mind a young lady with children, man, but I like a young too. You understand? So I can't see myself fighting up with no offense, right?
That's
no
okay,
offense,
that's
right?
okay,
I
that's okay.
can't really see myself fighting with somebody with 2 children and me hand on for me own yet. You understand? And me ain't on the road right about now, Nina. You understand? So, but other than that, 10 for a woman, for somebody with 2 children, you don't really look so. I
Thank
swear you don't
you.
look so. I swear you don't look so. I tell you, you don't look so.
Thank
But
you.
you other than that, yeah, you get 10. 'cause
Alright.
you know, you're nice.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10.
Alright.
You get it.
And what's based on his appearance, how much did I rate him?
I'll say 7.5.
7.5.
Yes.
And first, more ask you like, why didn't you not pop his balloon? Why you keep him?
His answers were good so far, yeah.
So his
But I
answer-
respect that. I respect his final decision.
Yeah.
Alright, my G. Wasn't that much today?
Yeah.
Walk with grace for me now. Down to this side. Down to this side, yeah. Alright, so I have 2 meals right now. Down to 2 few. I got allow enough to ask her a question. Really want the chemistry. Want to see who I gonna be her match, okay? So start by you. What's the question for her? Come to this side.
Do you have a problem with a man being friendly with others but not too friendly because of his job he's doing?
No, I don't. That's your personality. I respect that. But you gotta know your boundaries.
Right. Yeah, that's all I have to ask. Nothing much.
That's it?
Yeah, because she the answer for every question.
Alright. She said. Alright, Rick. Any question for her?
So, as a woman in a relationship or a wife, how would you support your boyfriend or your husband if he's going through a tough time?
Well, if he's going through a tough time, I would sit him down and we'll talk about it and we'll discuss it and find solutions for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any example?
Let's say I have a stressful day at work and you're home before me and I come home, I may be a little bit grumpy or tired. And I say, you know what, this is what happened today. You know, maybe I need a massage and then we can talk about it after. You know, would you be able to give a massage?
Of course, listen. I personally feel that a man should be treated like a king because I expect you to treat me like a queen, right? I would listen to you. I would try my best to see how I can find a solution to it. I'll take care of my man. Make sure your meal is prepared once I am at home because you know I'm a nurse and it's a bit busy at times. I'll do everything. I'll cater for you. So
Nice. I have one more question for you. Do you think it's coincidence that we wore red today?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what the universe have for us, but yeah, something
Alright,
happening.
cool. Yeah, that's it from me.
Okay. Alright, so any more questions you want to ask before I ask you?
Whoa.
Huh? Before I
Aye.
ask you any more questions you want to ask, none of them?
Okay, you said you're 20 years, right?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Do you think that you would have enough experience to settle down, or you feel that you still want to be out there?
Listen, nothing is out there in this world for me, to be honest, like that. In that way, how you're putting it. Because as you see, people dying old and young right now. So now is the best time for you to settle down and, You might think I may not have experience. I'm mature. Earlier you told me that. My last ex was 35 years old. I don't know if he's older or probably the same age like you. I'm going to tell you the reason why I distance, why we break up. So I know I'm mature enough because I know how to handle a situation. I know how to speak to a lady. My bad. And I grew up with my mom. So I know how to take care of a lady and handle a certain situation. So if you come home angry and I see you vexed, I'm not going to be all grumpy with you and getting on. I could be relaxed and, try to make you happy, probably cook you something that I know that you love to eat, or get you something that I know you would love. Probably take you out or something to your favorite restaurant or buy you something. So like I know how to handle these type of situations. So yes, I know how to handle a lady, and yes, of course, I am ready for a relationship because I'm not the other for me right now. I love older woman than me. But I don't know if you like young man, but probably I might think them immature, but me not immature man. Even though I have a strong feeling I might pop the balloon, me still I keep it.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
And if you wonder why me still I keep it, me have respect. Me rather you pop it. If you're supposed to pop it.
All right. So I'm going to ask you, pop one male balloon. Who's going to be?
Can I do any mini more? Because right now.
That's what you want to do? You want to any more?
Okay, let me stop playing. This is a tough decision.
Yeah.
It is. It is.
Okay. What's tough about it though? I never had asked that.
It's tough because he seems mature for his age.
Okay.
And then at the same time, he seems like somebody who, I like the way how he speak about my kids not being his stepkids, but his kids.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm big on my children, so
And
they're
it's
my
not
main focus.
it's not the coincidence of the red, right?
No, no.
It's not that. Okay. All right.
Mention the same ringtone.
Oh, ringtone. Don't have the same ringtone. Okay. All right. So, who's gonna be?
Do I have
Papu?
to choose? Can I just go on a date with them each and get to know them?
You
more?
on 2 man one time?
No,
That me I ask you.
a date. I didn't a date to get to know them more.
You want bring the 2 man them for one date?
Okay, let me choose.
That me want. Oh no. All right. Who's gonna be? Pop one male balloon. Let's go.
Hold on.
What? Let's use the mic. Use the mic.
This hard. Okay. I can ask a question?
Huh?
Can I ask a question?
One more
One
question.
last question?
You want to ask one more question. You want to have the choice for ask one more. All right. Who we're gonna start with?
Okay, forget it.
Forget it.
Yeah. Oh, this is hard.
Yo, you.
Hey, this is okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh God, Father God. Oh. All right. Professional. All right. I wasn't. All right. Get caught up a while ago. All right. Come to this side. First, why you kept the balloon though all along?
Well, the reason why I kept my balloon because it's not just on her looks, She look like a genuine person. Not like a lady that could support her man in any way. But if him stressed out, if him in a comfort zone, she could be there for him in any way. So that's the reason why I kept my balloon. She look like a genuine person. She's really beautiful. When I talk about beautiful, I talk about the diamond of them that find in Africa. Yeah, was. And the look in she eyes are like twinkle, twinkle like a star.
Me hear that already still.
What you are? I know you hear it already, but I have to let you know. Even though she looking at the mirror every morning and she see how beautiful she be, you have to remind her how beautiful she be. Because remember, you know, she in the inside of a man body to know how beautiful she is. She don't know how a man feel about her. But if you get the opportunity to come inside a man and feel how they feel about you, then you're gonna. But I respect you popped in my ballon, you know? Cool, I kept it. I know you was gonna pop it, but
Why? But yet, me feel like, do you think it's because you put out doubt, that's why she pop your balloon?
no, well, hear what, right? Me don't see we going on a long time.
What you see?
Me don't see her, him a chat to her, so, you know?
What you see? What you see?
Me see him a chat to her, me see she a chat to him, so me don't know something I go work out, but me basically love her. So me not go pop my balloon and disrespect her. So me say, me go where she pop the balloon, there's no shame in it, you know? Expect the unexpected. It's life. Take on and move on, even though it's not a hand. But you don't know what I mean. You know, big up yourself, same way. Continue glowing. You like the light is sparkling right now.
Thank you.
Why you pop his balloon?
Okay, I popped because of your age, and it would be unfair for me to basically rob you from experiencing life a little bit more. I know you said that you feel like you would have experienced life, but I don't think you fully experienced it. And if I am fair to myself and fair to you, I don't want to start something with you and then later on you see that, okay, you know, I didn't get enough of time out there, you understand? And then eventually start cheating and stuff like that. Also, as I said, my kids are big in my life and you're a little bit too young, right? I want somebody who is mature, who knows how to deal with them in terms of, you know, discipline, and they would have respect for you also. And to be honest with you, if I am to have you in my life because of your age and my kids know that you're young, I think they're gonna play a ball game with you. I'm just saying.
Isn't that a good thing?
No, it's not.
So-
It's not in that sense. I mean, once they know he's young, they might not have the maximum respect.
Okay.
They're respectful, but I'm just saying, kids in general know who to play on, and but
Like a
honestly
stern, like
speaking,
as
yes.
leader.
Yeah, honestly speaking, if you were a little bit older and I think you would have had enough experience out there, I would have choose you. You're mature, but I just want to give you your time. You understand?
How much age older though?
Maybe like say 5 more years, like 25 thereabouts. Yeah,
All right, before you continue, me have one question. How old are you?
I'm 31.
You're 31, you see? You see, age
It's just
is
a number.
It's just a number.
Right.
Me not take from what the little man just say. Wait before you continue.
Mhm.
You might think me not experience, but always remember this. Sometimes the older man does be more immature than the younger man. Sometimes the older man go play a role just to get a lick. You know what I mean when I say just to get a lick? And then bowl you out the wicket. But what I have to say, once upon a time I was a stepfather. You was, and I played the role as a man. You see, the way how I act mature and I'm looking old as well. Kept the
Okay,
respect.
so-
But wait,
Sorry.
even though you continue and things don't work out for Uno, I'm still there by the side. Nothing wrong with waiting. You was still by the side waiting because you know why? Me not getting nowhere. Me do unforeman. Now I go on a season. You was. So me willing for rock back. But me go with Mr. You do him thing. If him get through. Just want me be the best man at the wedding.
Alright, so alright, how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Caroline, mother give her the 10. From since she walk into the she like Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Yeah man.
Alright. Oh, based on your
But to be honest, let me say this before. If it was just me alone, I would have. But I have to think about my kids, right?
Mm.
So if it was just me alone with our kids,
So
I
why,
wouldn't have mind your age. You understand? But my kids come
so
first.
why you say you have to think about them? You mean like me teaching them stuff and communicating with them, or you mean minding them physically?
Not just minding them physically only, but
Just
I want
in
somebody
general.
who's son.
In
You
general.
understand?
Yes, in general.
Because my son, my first son, he's 13 and the other one is 9. So you see how old they are.
Alright.
So yeah, but me understand what I say. I respect you for thinking about your kids and such. But sometimes it's not good for judge. Don't judge. Because basically you might say you're not judging, you're judging, but it's okay. I respect you, I love you, I admire you for that. Okay? But it's good to think and put your kids them first. You have to put them first. You can't put man first.
Okay.
You have to put them first.
Alright.
But you might mistake. But as me say, I'm still the open. Book never close.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
10.
10?
Yes.
Based on his appearance? 10? Is he your type?
Yeah, he is my type, yeah.
Me all girl type. Me a Vincent and chocolate.
He is fine.
Alright, my G. There, it wasn't that much today. Walk with grace for me now, please. Okay. Down to 1. This side, let's go. No, you are.
Me.
Yeah. Alright, so we're down to 1 right now, right? You ask every question out the book, right? Good. You ask him every question out the book, right?
Yes.
Me want to ask you a big question right now, okay? Is this a match for you?
See.
Is this a match for you?
See, yeah.
It's a match?
Yes.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
Alright. Is this a match for you?
Yes.
It's a match for you? It's a match?
Yes.
It's a match?
Yes.
We have a match? We have a match! Everybody, we have a match! Alright. So we have a match. We got a match right now. And in this season, I'm gonna ask a female, you see a match, you like a match. Are you willing to risk it all for money over love?
No.
No? You can win up to 100,000.
No, I think we will make that together. So that's okay.
You're gonna stick with your match? Win up to 100,000
We'll make
in
it
cash.
together. We'll make it together. He seems ambitious, so we can do that together.
So this is a match.
Yeah.
You're gonna stay with your match?
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
Good.
Good? So,
Elated. I'm very elated.
alright, so it's a match.
Yeah.
Alright, so how come the mouse is a match? Oh! Alright! Okay, alright, so it's a match, so you guys can walk off. Whoa! Wow! Someone left from Jamaica and come on Vincent and I make people find love. Yo, I'm great. Yo, I'm good. How am I do that? Yo, I'm take a plane, I'm take a next plane, I'm take a bus for each of the yard and I'm take a bus for come so I make somebody fall in love. Yo, God, thank you. God and I like all the time. Yeah, that. I'm a sponsor Terry, Black Orchid and Sugar Apple. Okay? And big up the Club Zest. You know, with there, I not like them save the day. Like, really and truly, I don't want to cuss Vincent because I don't know them. The female them for the late and then now, you know, them I got lime. I want lime boy. I mean, I say, wait me, you know, everything lime. Yeah, lime are like party people, like that, hang out, you know, hang out, them call lime. You see it? So I want to big up everybody who support. We are go from country to country, and you don't know the pocket of burn. So any sponsors out there where, you know, have a vision, have a goal, we just want to tune in and just, you know, you can email me at rollysoeasy@gmail.com or Instagram me at rollysoeasy. You know if you spell Rolly so easy, right? We got this. Big up Crank Up for the visual. Man, them not there. Big up my team. Live Boss, Lindsay, Demar, Motor Source, Brittany. Yo, Crank Up. I'm out. Got it night.
Got this banana chips for you.
No, for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunchy.
GCT forever. And ever, we say goodbye.
Call them some team of a boss. Call them some team of a boss. Call them some team of a boss. Roll to 200k. Get me a like, comment, subscribe.